pero más grande que las nubes. Otra vez, tú te vas. Sabes que nuestra relación no va para ningún lugar.
Hey curl friends, and welcome back to another natural hair tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how I created these really natural looking knotless braids on short natural hair on mama bear. Today I am using my new product line, y'all. I am working on a product line. I've been working on it for quite a few years now and I'm getting down to the last few stages of it. So the products that you guys are going to be seeing today minus the mousse is my product line that I am testing. So it's in these little sample bottles. I know you guys are gonna wonder and ask. We're starting off on a twist out that mom did. I'm just going ahead and detangling and sectioning out her hair to prep for this hairstyle. Super simple, super easy. I just want to make sure I have a really seamless and easy base to start off on. That way I don't get super tired super quickly. I love working in 4 sections. I'm going to go ahead and start detangling on dry hair, then wet it down so that I can use my shea butter mixture to seal in the moisture, y'all. Shea butter is amazing. Absolutely amazing at sealing. It is not a moisturizer because there is no water involved, but what you can do is wet down your hair and use a shea butter mixture to seal in that moisture so it doesn't escape. And it can keep your hair nice and hydrated. So I'm just making sure that I'm getting the product from mids to ends, and then detangling is going to be a breeze. Everything just detangles like butter, y'all. And this is mom's reaction to how soft and manageable her hair was, y'all. I have reformulated this product like 10 million times. I can't even begin to tell y'all. So I'm starting off with her own natural hair, and then I'm going to feed in this hair that I got from Kova Beauty. It is a black owned beauty supply, y'all. I absolutely love that place. I absolutely love it. But I got this hair for about $4.99 for this pack of 3 bundles, and they're about 60 inches. They're pre-feathered is what they called it. Pretty much the ends are not super blunt like normal braiding hair. They're nice and layered, so you don't have to worry about, like, you know, shifting the ends of the hair to make it look more feathered, if that makes any sense. So I just went ahead and separated these really tiny pieces. I want to say they're about 1/2 of an inch, maybe even less than that. And I'm using about 3 strands per braid total. So I'm just starting off with her natural hair and just feeding in that braiding hair as I go. I have so many tutorials on this. So if you guys are new to braiding or new to the feed-in technique, you guys can check out these videos here. I'll have them linked on the screen as well as in the description box below for you guys to check out and learn completely how to braid individual braids, as well as feeding in this hair really seamlessly. But I just wanted to go ahead and record this. You guys saw me do this on my hair using that honey blonde color. Mom saw my braids and she wanted them done on herself using a natural color. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this footage and just pretty much follow me along and work with me.
Hard working every day, I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts, wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah, make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away, you and me, go to our favorite place. Feeling the sun on my face in a while. I need a summer breeze, some fresh air to put my mind at ease. No cares. You wanna come with me? Me and you go to our favorite tree. Are you ready now? We jump on a plane now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. Don't hesitate now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii.